everyone. Today we are going to learn about Docker container commands such as creating the container, starting it, stopping it, and restarting the container. There is a difference between the container run command and container create command. So first of all, I'm going to check the number of containers present. These are the list of all types of containers and just the running containers. We can see none of them are running. So I will start a Nginx container. I will create first Docker container, create and the image name. Okay. So the container ID we got, but it won't be running. See, there is still no container running. Now if I check the list of all the container, it says as created, but nothing is shown as allocation of the ports or anything like this. So now I'm going to run this container, Docker container. Now we will use the container ID. Okay, start. I will use this container ID. Okay. The container has started now. Now if I check it as ls, we can see the container running, and in this also we can see it up. The port has been allocated and up by 8 seconds it is being shown. I want to stop it now. So in the same way I will write stop. Now when I check the list of running containers, we can see none of them are running. And if I give ls-a, then you can see it has exited. Now I want to restart the stopped container. So the command is simple. Just write restart and the container ID. So, and now if I check it, we can see it up by 2 seconds. Even in the ls command, you can see it is running. The port has been allocated again, but the created time is different. So this is the difference between Docker container create and Docker container run command. Thank you